push it up, like use that?
I think we'll be able to get it up and just worry about it bottoming out.
You think we do? Well, once we get, I'm just worried about once we get halfway up there, you think
All right, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but we just bought this for $500. I like the hood scoop. I pretty much bought it for the back tires. Alrighty. So now we're at the guy's storage unit picking up all the spare parts. Let's see what he's got here. So we made it home. The car didn't fall off the trailer. Luckily, we did this all in a big hurry. We were trying to get the heck out of there. Got way too many things going on to be worrying about buying a junker like this. The guy gave us a ton of parts, which was great. The best part about the car, though, I keep saying it, the tires. You can't lift that?
Get it.
Come on, Luke, you got this. Don't dent it. But all right, so anyway, the tires. That's cool. I can't make my mind up if we should part it out or what, but the hood's great. We could have this front end on the El Camino today.
Seriously.
And the hood. Maybe we should, maybe this is a new style. This guy was on
I've
the
seen it before and it looked good. This just, I don't know, it doesn't work on this car.
What is that part called? The thing the guy gave us?
Like the core support?
The core support?
Oh, that's like the whole front.
This was a deal right here too. A voodoo pipe for our jigster. Guy had that. 40 bucks, can't go wrong.
Got some IROC rims.
Nice, nice.
Z28.
There's the whole haul for 500 bucks.
Plus all the glass.
540 if you count the header for the jigster.
Plus all the extra glass in the car.
And again, the tires. The tires. Oh. Take it easy on her, Nick. The interior is honestly not in that bad a shape.
It's not. The console's a little busted up, but that's about it.
Look at the new radio.
So I was over here at the garage and now I'm walking over here. Oh.
And it turned off. I just choked the carb out. It's pretty good.
Got her running.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the other carb?
Over there.
Yeah.
Same carb. That one's just really shitty. This one's just slightly shitty. I learned something too about the El Camino. You know how the brakes are real hard on it?
Yeah.
Because somebody disconnected the power brakes.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. See, this is the power brake line. When I was taking it off, it broke on this. But like this was the car that was on the El Camino, and where it goes in, it was plugged. Huh. So that's why on the El Camino, like you gotta press the brakes real hard because it has manual brakes.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Adds to the old school feel.
Oh yeah, of course. But
there it is. $500. $500.